We just got a Black+Decker 40-volt string trimmer. Got it from Amazon, and we're opening up the box. See how easy it is to put together. So that shield or guard or whatever it is.
Yep, so you just take this off and then screw it in
Okay.
right there to hold this in.
So I'm going to get a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, got the Phillips screwdriver, and looks like that's the only tool we'll need. Alright, so it looks like the string is already in there.
Yep.
Just had some tape around it. Here's how you adjust the speed. Goes from level 1 to level 6. It's not too heavy, easy to handle, good grip.